What's up, friends? Did you or did you not know that your Audi 3 Series had self-drive? Check it out, going around this corner. Takes it really, really well. Minor adjustments. I always kind of grab when I'm going by a vehicle, just to be a little extra safe. But you don't necessarily have to. If you've got some food that you're dealing with, or you want to put your drink down or something like that, you can let go, technically, completely, and the car will do a really nice job at keeping you in line. It will let you know if it needs you to take over. It's kind of hard to tell on the straightaway right now, but I've got my lane assist and my cruise control on, and I don't have to do anything. So it doesn't self-drive in the same way that a Tesla does. You can't plug in like a GPS coordinates and let the thing go to work, but you can use what's called the Active Lane Assist and your cruise control together. And when you pair them together, you see the green markers come on down there in the corner. Your car will actually use the cameras that are built in for parking sensors and traffic control for your cruise control to drive the car. So here we are, totally let go. We're approaching the white line. It's going to correct, bring us back in. We've got another car coming here. It might ask me to take over. So he wants me to take over just a little bit, but it's making this corner for me. It's doing the whole thing. So I haven't spent tons of time using the Active Lane Assist or cruise control really that much. I drive mostly locally in like a 10-mile commute on secondary roads, and I don't really use the cruise control that much. But the Active Lane Assist is pretty awesome. I would like some people that have it and know more about it to chime in, please, because I'm curious how thorough and how well it actually works. So I was on the highway like a week ago with a friend of mine, and I was using the Active Lane Assist. I put my blinker on to change lanes, and then before I changed lanes, I swear the car did it for me. My friend was there, and he saw it happen. By the way, best passenger in the world. Hi, Finnegan. He's a little camera shy. Oh, good boy. Okay, so I think that it switched lanes for me. Is that something that it can actually do, or was that just like a coincidence and the car sort of drifted into that lane as I put on the blinker? If that's the case, that sounds a little bit dangerous. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's see. Let's put her in auto mode.